guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Henderson if you're new here, and this is Tamara's Hair Care. So today I am going to, oh my god guys, you guys can hear the baby in the background. She's definitely not crying, she's just cussing. So please don't mind that. Today I am going to cut my hair. Yes, I'm gonna cut my hair myself. I've been telling you guys that I'm due a really nice trim, and I'm so tired of seeing all these dead ends and all these split ends. And you know, the longer you keep your split ends, the more damage it causes. So I'm gonna get rid of them myself because I'm not ready to relax my hair as yet, and I'm just causing more damage by keeping them. So I'm going to cut them off myself. And listen guys, I am no professional, I am no hairstylist, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it because it's my hair. So I'm not telling you guys to go cut your hair yourself, but if you can definitely do that. This is the first time I'm going to actually cut my hair myself, but then that's because I'm just tired of the dead ends on my hair, and it's causing more damage and breakage and stuff like that. So I just want to get rid of them for now, and then when I get my hair relaxed, I get a proper trim. Okay, but for now I'm going to cut what I think is split ends. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed, and let me show you guys, like, so you guys can see all this, like all the stringy ends. These are split ends, dead ends. Too much, and then I'm gonna cut it again after I go to this, when I go to the salon and get my hair done. So they do it right. Oh my god, I think I did a bad job. I did not do a good job. Okay, let's move on to the other section right here. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so sorry about the background. That's our aunt trying to calm her down for me. But here we go. This is what comes off. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, I've never done this before. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, this is it. I took this off. Jesus, this is it. Oh my god, what am I doing? I told you guys, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a pro, I'm just doing it. I'm just so tired of seeing it. It makes my hair look unhealthy. So, oh my god. Guys, please ignore the background. Oh my god, I'm sure like a lot of mom here can relate. But here we are. Next one. So I'm gonna cut it right here. Oh Jesus. Something not right. I think the damn scissor is too dull. Oh god. So this is it. I think I'm chopping off way too much. Oh my god, especially the first one. I chopped off so much. Oh my god, my hair is literally looking short right now. Like, it's looking so short right now. Okay, the last one. Okay, here we are. See, like these are, see, I'm like, okay, right here. Now you can see the difference right there. So, oh. What left? So my hair was on the boat right here before I cut it. With the cutting though, still the ends are like really untidy. It looks a lot fuller. You guys see that? A lot fuller. There you have it, guys. I cut my hair. I can't believe it. My hair looks a lot thicker, a lot healthier. So I'm really excited that I cut off the dead ends, but I think I cut a little bit too much. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.